How to delete one photo from Instagram post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on the post you want to delete photo from. Click on three dots at the top right. Then simply click on edit. After you click on edit, below your photo, you will find recycle bin option, which is the trash can option. Click on it. Click on delete. After you've clicked on delete, click on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you're good to go. This is how to delete one photo from post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.